1. Right off the bat, Mechanical Thunder picking up a ton of green cubes. They're getting ready to line up and score some of those cubes. Meanwhile, Techno Turtles pushing all of these red cubes off of the post. And it looks like Mechanical Thunder gets 1 cube in. And Techno Turtles moving around, grabbing some greens. It looks like Mechanical Thunder is grabbing some purples now. As we get over to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. It looks like the Techno Turtles are going to Grizzly Park. With 25 seconds left, we must now switch drivers. Mechanical Thunder with a ton of purples. They're getting a ton of cubes into that goal. Mechanical Thunder with even more cubes. They're going to line up with that goal, see if they can score them. They get 2 in. With 4 seconds left, can they hit the park in time? All right, qualification match number 64. 62026D of City Spaghetti. And they're